Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T21 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads on this device. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Now select Browse after tapping on Got It in the pop-up. When you're ready, scroll down just a bit, click on Downloads category, and as you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you wish to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!